Hello and welcome to this video on Google My Business. For now, this is an updated video to a video I did July 2021, and today is June 2022. So much and so little have changed in respect of it. So this is what I want to point out. Now, unlike before that, when you log into your Google My Business, it is just called Google My Business. Now it is called Google Business Profile Manager. Nothing has changed except the the change of name, and maybe some minor changes you can just do. Now, if you stay here, the background is gonna look like something you're seeing in this video. But if you should manage on search, it's going to redirect you to a whole different thing. Now this is how it's going to tell you to manage on search. So what this is telling you now is how you want your profile to look when they search on it on Google search is what is wanted to bring it out. Now, some of the benefit of Google My Business, like I said in my previous video, was it gives you a leverage. Now I'm not running any advert for this business on Google, and only this month over 12,000 views directly from Google. Now these are the things that you can add directly from here. Now, what is telling you based on this now is most of my competitors are coming up for my name, which is shop, shoe layers, and the like. So anytime people search for shoe layers, this is how it always comes up. Now people are already bidding for that name because we are having a very good movement in respect of that name. So if this brand now decides to run advert now, they are going to be competing with all these people that are already bidding using the brand's name. That being by the side, another thing you could do is you can simply just edit all these that you don't already have directly from here. Now let's say you want to do this now, you can easily just have you seen that the moment you clicked on that, it redirects you to what you want to do, and you just fill it in and you post. So we close it, let's just cancel it. Yeah, changes that. Let's just cancel that. Let's just cancel that. It goes directly. Unlike before that, all this stuff is done at the back end. When if you go and watch this initial video, you see that most of all this stuff that is now done at the front end is now done at the back end, because they want you to be able to see how it looks like the moment you are pushing it out directly. Add your images directly. So the reason why they decide to just redo all this is you know how your profile, how your brand is coming up on Google directly without having any issues in respect of that. So this makes it very easy for you to edit accordingly, and also to know that okay, now if I want to run advert for shoe layers, now some of the keywords I'll also be bidding for will also be my competitor's name as well, since they're already bidding for my own brand name and also using it to rank their website or their campaign. So this is just an update video to the initial video, and much of reason why you have to do your Google My Business and the likes has been explained. This I'm going to be adding the link to this video somewhere inside this video. So please, this is just an updated one. So now if you have to go back, everything we still saw in that previous video. Now have you seen now they've changed the name to Google Business Profile Manager? Every other thing from this video is still inside. Nothing has changed except you just being able to do your stuff directly on search. So these are the whole benefit that these things has in respect for you and for your brand as a business. Thank you very much.